Finally, my dream is here. Canon R5, EOS R5 with the lens 24-105. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside it. Oh my god, that's it. Let's see. Mini HDMI. I think so. I'm not sure. This is the battery. And the manual book. And the charger. So here we have the lens box or the lens case. Oh, it's good quality actually. That's nice. The lens hood. Canon belt. EOS R5. I'm so happy to unbox this Canon R5. I'm in love with it. It's good quality. See? And now the important thing. The lens and the body. Oh my god. The lens and the body. So let's come with the lens or the body. Oh my god. See that? This is Canon R5. Oh my god. Finally you are here. Everybody talking about overheating, but I don't care a shit. So I bought this. And now the last one. The lens. Oh my god. It's heavy actually. Let's see. Ba, 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 bum. Canon 24-105. This lock, it will lock the lens. When you open it, you can see. That's good. Autofocus, manual focus, and image stabilizer. That's good. Good quality actually. Oh my god, do you see that? Let's continue. So now let's put it together. To take this cover, or I don't know what it's called. So, come near. So here we are. It feels good. So let's take the cover first, and then take the cover of the lens. Do you see this red dot and this red dot? It will match together. So just match it together and spin it until you hear this. Let's first take this one. Okay. So I think like that. So and close it. And here we are. Let's start it. Here is on and off. Okay. Because this is a new camera, so you need to check the firmware menu and go to this one and number 6, and here you have the firmware update or your firmware. The latest firmware update is 1.5, and here we have 1.3.1. So we need to update. First we need to do is to go to your laptop. So let's power it off. And now go to usa.canon.com. Choose the first one. And then go to drivers and downloads. Here in the search bar, type R5 or EOS R5. And then scroll down a little bit until you find firmware. Here you have EOS R5 firmware update version 1.5.1. Make sure to download Windows if you have Windows, and if you have Mac, download the next one. Here choose I agree and download. After you download it, open the file, and here you have PDF, all instruction in, and the firmware file. So let's see the instruction first. In instruction PDF, there is very important thing, the firmware update caution. And absolutely the important one is that you have fully charged battery. Please read it carefully, this one, before you update your firmware. So after you read the instruction, go to the file and copy the firmware file, and then go to your SD card and just paste it here, and then eject your SD safely, just like that. After you download it and put the update on the card, open this, just like that. That's it. And now put it on, flip the screen, so go to menu, and here and number 6, and press firmware, press set. Current firmware version is 1.3.1. Update firmware, okay. Loading. Please select new firmware version, press set, and here press OK or set, and now it's updating. Go to menu, go to settings, and here number 6, and firmware update is 1.5.1. so that's it. So let's turn it off. So let's put this belt on. First, this one, take off this, and pull out this one. Like that. Put this here. And now put this here. Just like that. So, and put it again here. Just like that. Just pull it out again underneath and here. Underneath. Just like that. So this one side and then the other side. So it feels good. That was for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.